Welcome to our video on the production of dietary supplements. We'll explore how IOC ensures high-quality supplement manufacturing, adhering to global safety and quality standards, and meeting the growing demand for health-enhancing products. This video is available with subtitles in multiple languages. If needed, please enable subtitles in your preferred language in the video settings. Dietary supplements provide essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. They complement a balanced diet, addressing nutritional deficiencies and supporting overall health. People use them for various reasons, including boosting immunity and enhancing mental well-being. The regulatory framework for dietary supplements is stringent. In the USA, the FDA oversees regulations, while the EFSA sets rules in the EU. Good manufacturing practices ensure consistent quality, supported by certifications from organizations like NSF and USP. The production process at IOC begins with sourcing high-quality raw materials. Ingredients are ethically sourced globally, meeting strict standards. Suppliers are thoroughly vetted, and raw materials are tested for purity and potency to ensure effective supplements. Developing a premium supplement formula involves scientific evidence-based planning. The right dietary ingredients are selected in appropriate amounts for health benefits. Collaboration with nutrition and pharmacology experts ensures safety and efficacy. The production process at IOC includes mixing, encapsulating, and tableting. Advanced machinery ensures precision and consistency. Each stage is monitored to maintain high-quality standards, from ingredient mixing to capsule and tablet production. Quality control is crucial in supplement production. Raw materials and finished products undergo safety and efficacy testing. Tests check for purity, potency, and contaminants, ensuring high product quality through physical, chemical, and microbiological assessments. Proper packaging and labeling are essential. Labels must accurately reflect contents and comply with FDA and EFSA regulations. Packaging options like bottles and blisters protect the product and extend shelf life, providing consumers with vital information. The supplement industry faces challenges like strict regulatory requirements and sourcing high-quality raw materials. Maintaining product consistency, especially with natural ingredients, is crucial. IOC addresses these with rigorous quality control and standardized production processes. Future trends in supplement production include personalized nutrition and sustainable practices. Advances in production technology, like automation and 3D printing, enhance efficiency and innovation. Transparency in the supply chain is increasingly important. In sports nutrition, there's a growing demand for performance-enhancing and recovery supplements. IOC develops innovative products for this market, ensuring compliance with good manufacturing practices and regulations, meeting the needs of athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Biotechnology is emerging in supplement production, with developments in probiotic supplements and fermented nutrients. These innovations offer greater health benefits and open new opportunities in the dietary supplement industry. Advanced technologies like nanomycelization and microencapsulation in IOC's production ensure maximum bioavailability and effectiveness of ingredients, enhancing the final product's impact on health. The comprehensive production process at IOC involves modern technologies, rigorous quality testing, and customization to meet client-specific needs. This ensures high-quality supplements tailored to individual requirements. Understanding the real costs of supplement production is vital. Costs include raw materials, production, research and development, regulatory compliance, and marketing. Proper planning and management are essential for successful supplement manufacturing. Contract manufacturing at IOC involves producing components or finished products for other companies, including packaging. As a co-packer, IOC offers comprehensive services from formula creation to final packaging. IOC's production aligns with international standards like ISO, GMP, and HACCP. Continuous investment in research and development ensures innovative supplement formulas, with state-of-the-art laboratories enhancing product effectiveness. Contract manufacturing services at IOC provide full support from design to market launch. Production is tailored to client-specific requirements, including formula and packaging personalization, ensuring customer satisfaction. Sustainable development is a priority at IOC. Eco-friendly sourcing practices and optimized production processes minimize environmental impact. Safe, durable, and environmentally friendly packaging materials are used. Maintaining high standards in supplement production is crucial for safety and efficacy. Understanding the entire production process, from ingredient sourcing to quality control, enables manufacturers like IOC to meet the demand for high-quality health products. Adhering to FDA and EFSA regulations, investing in advanced technology, and prioritizing quality are essential for success in the supplement industry in both the USA and EU. These practices ensure product safety and consumer trust. If you're interested in supplement production and want to learn more about product customization, the latest production technologies, and high-quality ingredients, IOC is here to help. We guarantee excellent results and complete customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching our video on dietary supplement production. We hope you gained valuable insights into the processes and standards that ensure high-quality health products. Feel free to reach out for more information or collaboration opportunities.